Good morning, everyone. This is your Nilofer ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your study is going well. So, from today, we are starting the syllabus of internal assignment 3. Our subject is SST, and in SST, this time we are starting the syllabus with geography. In today's worksheet, I will explain you worksheet 1, which is related to chapter 4. Topic of the chapter is maps. So as you all have seen that today we have started our syllabus of geography. I have explained you chapter 4 and the explanation of the chapter I have provided you in your WhatsApp group through YouTube link. And I hope you all have seen that video and you all have understood the chapter well. So in today's worksheet, I will explain you the keywords and one-word answers related to the chapter. So like always, before starting the work, you all have to mention today's date in your copies, that is 14 August 2021. With this, you have to mention online classwork in your copies, and with this, you have to mention chapter 4 with the topic maps. Now let's see the keywords. First keyword is maps. So it is a representation of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. So what is map? Map is a representation of the earth's surface on a flat surface. It can be the representation of the earth's surface, or it can be the representation of a part of the earth's surface. Second keyword is atlas. It is a collection of maps bound into a volume. So a book of maps is called an atlas. Third keyword is cartography. It is the science of map making. Fourth keyword is sketch. It is a drawing mainly based on memory, not on scale. So when we draw something only based on our memory, not on scale, that time it is called a sketch. Fourth keyword is plan. It is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. So when we draw a small area on a large scale, that time it is called a plan. Sixth keyword is symbols. Some specific signs which give information in a limited space are called symbols. So some specific signs which give us information in a limited space about something, about buildings, about another things, they are called symbols. Now let's see the next exercise, that is give answers in one word. Question number 1 is who was the first to represent the earth as a sphere? So who has represented the earth as a sphere first? Answer is an Egyptian geographer. Second question is which map provides detailed information? So answer is large scale map. Large scale map provides detailed information. Question number 3 is how many cardinal directions are there? So there are 4 cardinal directions. Question number 4 is what is drawing of a small area on a large scale called? So when we draw a small area on a large scale, what it is called? It is called a plan. Question number 5 is what is the book of maps called? So the book of maps called an atlas. Question number 6 is to which direction the magnetic needle of the compass always point? So I have explained you in the chapter explanation also that the magnetic needle of the compass always points towards direction, and the direction is north-south. So these were the keywords and one-word answers which I have explained you related to chapter 4. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.